One of the most important parts of building a website is buying a unique domain name. In this step-by-step guide, we're going to show you how to register a domain name and also cover some commonly asked questions about domains. But before we hop in, here's a bit more about us. WebsiteSetup.org is a free online resource for learning web development, design, and WordPress. Our goal is to help beginners create their own websites, blogs, and online stores using the right tools and platforms. To learn more about our review policies and processes, be sure to click the link down in our description box or visit us over at websitesetup.org. Now, into the tutorial. First, let's start by explaining why it's so crucial to choose a good domain name. A domain name is your unique identifier. It helps set you apart from the billions of other websites on the web. This is exactly why having a memorable and easy to type name is essential for anyone with an online presence. A domain name can help improve recognition and awareness of your business or your brand. It adds extra credibility to your venture and eventually boosts visitors' recall. Choosing a good domain name is also important for SEO. Okay, so now that you understand the value of a domain name, let's talk about how to actually get one. Domain.com is a reputable domain registrar launched in 1998. Over 1.2 million websites are registered with them. Domain.com features the most popular top-level domains such as .com, .net, .org, along with 25 country-specific domain extensions like .fr, .co, .uk, etc. Most of their domain names are priced in the $9.99 to $12.99 per year range, and if you're lucky, you can sometimes snag a deal and get a domain name for as low as $2.99 a year. For that price, you'll get 1 year of domain ownership, a free SSL certificate for extra security, automatic email forwarding to your domain, and DNS registration and management tools. So with that said, here's how to register a domain on domain.com. First, run a quick search to verify that the domain name you're considering is available. Then you'll need to pick your domain extension. Our general recommendation is to go for .com since it's the most familiar option for users. And once you decide, your choice will get automatically added to your cart with a 2-year privacy protection subscription. This one's optional, so you can remove it during the next step. And you can also change your domain renewal period from 1 year to 5 years, depending on how long you plan on keeping the domain. Next, you'll be presented with a few add-on services such as a professional email address that matches your domain name, access to a drag and drop website builder, a web hosting plan, and the SiteLock website security tool. Decide what you want there, if anything, and then provide your billing and payment information. Our coupon code WebsiteSetup will give you 25% off of the first payment, so don't forget that, and then review your choices and proceed with checkout. And a note on the last step, be sure to double check your domain name spelling before hitting purchase now. Domain.com doesn't let you change your domain name post-purchase if you misspell it, so you'll want to be sure that you get it right the first time around. And that's it. If you followed through with this step-by-step guide, you should now know how to register a domain name using Domain.com. If you have any questions about this process, don't hesitate to comment down below or click the link in the description box for more information on all of your website setup needs. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave us a big thumbs up if this was helpful, and we'll talk to you soon in our next video. Bye.